day! Welcome to Momshi Teaches M's classroom. Join me as we explore the wonders of Mathematics 8. Hope you learned something new today. Factoring quadratic or general trinomials where a is greater than 1. Given is 3x squared minus x minus 4. Alam natin na sa general trinomial may formula tayo na ax squared plus bx plus c. Dito sa given, ang value ng a ay 3 at ang value ng c ay negative 4. Gagamit tayo ng tinatawag na AC method. So, yung value ng a at yung value ng c ay imumultiply natin. So, we have 3 times negative 4. And that is equal to negative 12. Then, itong ating trinomial ay gagawin na ngayon nating x squared minus x at yung value ng AC na negative 12. So, our trinomial now will be x squared minus x minus 12. We will factor this. So, ang factor niya ay yung square root ng x squared ay x, negative ang third term, negative ang last term, kaya gamit tayo ng isang plus at isang minus sign. Tapos ang factors ng 12 ay 1 at 12, 2 at 6, 3 at 4. Since magkaiba ng sign, ang gagawin natin, ima-minus natin bawat term. At yung 4 and 3, pagka minus natin, magbibigay sa atin ng sagot na 1, which is our middle term. Saan ko ilalagay ang 4? Kung ano yung sign ng middle term. And that is negative. So, dito yung 4, dito naman sa positive yung 3. Para yung middle term natin, pagka inad natin, ang magiging sign ay negative 1. So, the factors of x squared minus x minus 12 is x plus 3 and x minus 4. Then, susunod na step, x plus 3, ilalagay ngayon natin yung value ng a dito sa second term. So, magiging x plus 3 over 3. And then, copyahin din natin yung second factor x minus 4, lalagyan din uli natin ng value ng a dun sa denominator. Next step ay, i-lowest term natin yung fractions. So, we will copy x plus 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. And then, yung 4 over 3, hindi siya pwedeng i-lowest term. So, ang gagawin na lang natin dito sa denominator 3 ay ilalagay natin as coefficient of x in our second factor. So, this will become 3x minus, mawawala na yung denominator na 3, ang matitira na lang uli ay yung 4 sa second term ng ating second factor. So, we now have x plus 1 times quantity 3x minus 4. Tama kaya ito para dito sa ating trinomial? We check. X times 3x is 3x squared. Sa last term, positive times negative. Positive 1 times negative 4 is negative 4. The middle term, 1 times 3x is 3x. X times negative 4 is negative 4x. 3x plus negative 4x is negative x. Therefore, our answer for the factors of the given trinomial will be x plus 1 times quantity 3x minus 4. Problem number 2, 2t squared minus 7t plus 3. Here, we have the value of a equal to 2 and the value of c is equal to 3. Following the AC method, we have 2 times 3 is 6. Then we rewrite our trinomial into t squared minus 7t plus 6. Then, ipa-factor ngayon natin. Gawa tayo ng dalawang parenthesis. Ang factor ng t square ay t. Anong factor ng 6? Factors ng 6 ay 1 at 6, 2 at 3. Since positive ang ating last term, negative ang middle term, ang gagamitin ng nating sign ay dalawang negative. So, mag-a-add ngayon tayo alin ang factors na magbibigay sa atin ng sagot na 7. Negative 7. So, 1 plus 6 is 7, 2 plus 3 is 5. So, ang gagamitin nating factors ay 1 at 6. Saan natin lalagay yung 1 at 6? Kahit saan, kasi pareho naman siyang negative. So, we can have t minus 1 and t minus 6 for our factors. Next, yung denominator na yung ating value ng a na 2, ilalagay ngayon natin siya dun sa denominator ng second term ng bawat factors. So, this will become t minus 1 half times t minus 6 over 2. And then, 1 half, i-reduce natin sa lowest term yung bawat fraction. 1 half, nakareduce na siya. Ngayon, yung denominator na 2, ilalagay ngayon natin dun sa coefficient ng t. Kaya ito ay magiging 2t minus 1 na lang yung nasa numerator. And then, for our second factor, yung fraction na 6 over 2, ilo-lowest term natin, magiging 6 divided by 2 ay 3. So, we now have t minus 3. Our factors now will become 2t minus 1 times t minus 3. Let's check. 2t times t is 2t squared. Then, the second term, negative 1 times negative 3 is positive 3. For the middle term, negative 1 times t is negative t. 2t times negative 3 is negative 6t. Negative 6t plus negative 1t or negative t will be equal to negative 7t. So, now the factors of the given trinomial 2t squared minus 7t plus 3 will be 2t minus 1 times t minus 3. Third example, 3x squared plus 8x plus 4. The value of a here will be equal to 3 and the value of c is equal to 4. Multiply a by c, we get 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Then factors of 12 are 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. We rewrite this equation now into x squared plus 8x plus 12, which is the product of AC. Then we factor x squared plus 8x plus 12. This will be x for the first term, plus pareho ang third term at ang middle term, kaya gagamit tayo ng parehong plus. And then, alin factor ang magbibigay sa atin ng sum na 8? That will be 2 and 6. So, we'll have here x plus 2 times x plus 6. Next, we have x plus yung second term, gagawin nating numerator yung 2 at ang magiging denominator natin ay yung 3 na value ng a. Same thing with the second factor, x plus 6 ang numerator at yung value ng a ay 3 magiging denominator. Now reduce these fractions to lowest term. 2/3 is already in its lowest term. Yung denominator na 3, ilalagay natin sa coefficient ng x, kaya ito ay magiging 3x plus the numerator 2 times x plus 6 divided by 3 is 2. So our factored form will be 3x plus 2 times x plus 2. Check. 2 times x is 2x. 3x times 2 is 6x. 2x plus 6x is 8x. And for our first term, 3x times x is 3x squared. Our last term, 2 times 2 is 4. We have the trinomial 3x squared plus 8x plus 4. And the factors are 3x plus 2 times x plus 2. Fourth example. We have 6a squared minus 3a minus 18. In this example, we have 6, 3, and 18, which are divisible by 3. So the common factor is equal to 3. And then, the remaining factor, 6a squared divided by 3 is 2a squared. Negative 3a divided by 3 is negative a. Negative 18 divided by 3 is negative 6. 2a squared minus a minus 6 is still factorable. The value of a here is 2 and the value of c is negative 6. Using AC method, 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. Then we rewrite 2a squared minus a minus 6 into a squared minus a minus 12. Factor of a squared minus a minus 12 will be a for the first terms, and then factor of 12 are 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. We need negative 1 in our middle term. Our last term is negative, so the sign we'll be using is 1 positive and 1 negative. So, our factors to use will be 3 and 4. We'll be having 4 as negative and 3 will become positive since the middle term is a negative sign. So the factors of a squared minus a minus 12 are a plus 3 times a minus 4. Then, we have the coefficient, the value of a as 2. So, we rewrite this as a plus 3 over 2 times a minus 4 over 2, which is our denominator from the value of a. And then, lowest term of 3 over 2, we can no longer write it in lowest term. We have here 2 will become the coefficient of a. So, we now have 2a plus 3 times 4 divided by 2 is 2. So, we copy a minus 2. The factored form of 2a squared minus a minus 6 will be 2a plus 3 times a minus 2. Remember, we still have this 3 as our common factor. So, we copy the common factor 3. Therefore, our final answer for the factors of 3a squared minus 3a minus 18 will be 3 times quantity 2a plus 3 times quantity a minus 2. That's all for today. See you on our next video lessons. Keep safe, everyone.